Welcome to Paracas Beach here. This is one of the most famous beach towns in central Peru, a few hours south of Lima. This is the beachfront promenade. Got some beautiful seafood restaurants. There's another street behind, and that's pretty much the town centre. And from this pier here go the boat trips, most famously to the Ballestas Islands, to see all the wildlife there. And then Paracas Peninsula out to sea. Welcome again to the beautiful National Reserve of Paracas, middle of Peru, the desert, it's the sea.